So Kabir is going to show us how to sharpen a knife. So what do you have with you, Kabir?
Not so sharp. Let's see. So you take a stone.
So what stone is that? Special sharpening stone?
Yeah, sharpening stone with two sides. One is 240, that's the rough, and the other one is 1000, that is the smoother side. So here you're gonna like basically keep it at the angle of say 10 degrees.
Okay.
And then you one side and other side as well, 10 degrees. Or there's another technique. If you want to know exactly, what you can do is you can take a coin. There's a trick. Take a coin and place it under. So basically that's the degree you have to hold. So you have a basic, it's about 5 to 10 degrees between that.
Okay.
So that's like a, so let us start sharpening this.
So how long do you have to sharpen it for?
Until I can feel the blade. Yeah, it's getting there. Yes. A little pressure from this right up to the end. Try and use the surface of the whole stone, so there is a uniform wear and tear of the stone as well as your blade. Yes. Few more shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go from the other side.
So this is the smooth part?
Yeah. So this will give you the finishing edge, and it's called horning.
You can hear the sound of the knife getting sharp. So this is a multi-purpose knife, or you use it for specific cutting only?
Actually, I use it multi-purpose. Normally this is a chopper, so I use it for meat with bones as well as.
Okay.
But you can also use it for chopping and slicing vegetables. Yeah. I've got the blade.
You can see how sharp this blade is now. You can just see the sound.
I'll share the sound.